big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified. Dearly beloved, we are gathered here to join Stumpy and Kerry in holy matrimony.
Chicken, no you think Stumpy the idiot for marry to Kerry, but him love her enough.
Stumpy and Kerry, today you enter as individuals, but will leave as husband and wife. Anyone who objects to why these two should not be married, speak now or forever hold your peace.
Ish.
Papa, who she?
Me nah know a pun say.
I wonder if I'm baby mother.
You object to these two getting married?
No, I just can't hear run at the back.